is 25 93 81 42. I'm Ajani Kanakasekara. Now I'm going to present my quizzes now. Um First one is, my first question is, explain the important function of ISO OSI 7 layers. First one, we have 7 layers: physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and application layer. A physical layer means responsible for transmitting raw bits over the physical medium. It defines cables, voltage levels, and data rate. Data link layer provides node-to-node delivery. It performs physical addressing and error detection. Network layer handles logical addressing and routing of packages. Transport layer ensures end-to-end communication with reliability and flow control. Session layer manages communication sessions between devices. Presentation layer responsible for translation, encryption, and comparison. Application layer provides network as services end-to-end users such as web and emails. Second question is, explain the TCP/IP model. TCP/IP model has 4 layers. First one is application layer, transport layer, internet layer, network access layer. Application layer provides service such as HTTP and FTP. Transport layer TCP reliable and UDP. And internet layer provides IP addressing and routing. And network access layer handles framing and physical transmission. So third question is, explain the different protocols used in TCP/IP transport and network and data link layer. Third question, these are the different protocols that is going to used in here. Transport layer TCP UDP, network layer IP ICMP ARP, and data link layer Wi-Fi PPP. Fourth question is, what is the difference of the data and signal? Data means which is referred to meaningful information such as text or images. But the signal is the physical representation of data used for transmission. Next, we are going to talk about fifth questions. What are the characteristics of the series signals? And the first one is amplitude, height of the wave. Second one, frequency, number of cycles per second. Third one, phase, position of the wave from relative time to 0. Sixth one is, what is the difference between analog signals and digital signals? Analog signals are the continuous waveforms, and also digital signals are which is going to consist of discrete binary values. It means 0 and 1. Seventh one is, explain the following related to transmission medias. Noise, unwanted interference affecting signal quality, attenuation, gradual loss of signal strength over distance, distortions, a change in the signal shape during transmission. Eighth question, what is an error of this? What is an error of a digital signal? An error occurs when a transmitted bit changes from 0 to 1 or from 1 to 0 due to noise or interference. So ninth question is, explain the decibel dB with an example. Decibel, it means dB. Decibel is a log arithmetic unit used to measure signal power ratio. Formula means dB equals 10 log 10 P2 divided by P1. Now, formula means dB equals 10 log 10 multiplied by P2 divided by P1. If power doubles, the increases is, if power doubles, the increases is approximately 3 dB. The 10th question, what do you mean by modulation and what is the importance of this? Modulation is the process of varying a carrier of signal according to the data signal. It enables long distance communication and efficient use of bandwidth. 11th question, explain ASK, FSK, PSK, QAM. ASK amplitude is varied. FSK frequency is varied. PSK phase is varied, and QAA means both amplitude and phases are varied. Next, we are going to talk about explain the FDM, TDM, and OFDM. FDM means bandwidth is divided into frequency bands. TDM means time is divided into slots. OFDM means uses multiple or called subgrids for transmission. Third one means explain FDMA, TDMA, or FDMA. FDMA means each user is assigned a separate frequency band. TDMA means each user is assigned a time slot. Or FDMA multiply users share press subcarriers. 14th question, explain FDD and TDD. FDD means separate frequency bands for transmission and reception. TDD means same frequency band used to different times. Explained about antennas. Please use the Ferozan book and answer the question 16, 17, and 20, 19. These are the other questions. For next, we are going to talk in here in antennas. We are going to talk about this 15th question. An antenna converts electrical signals into electromagnetic waves and vice versa. Antennas can be omnidirectional or directional. 16th question. What are the two layers of data link control layer? Explain the function of each layer. Two sub-layers of the data link control layer means a logical link layer and the media access control. Logical link control means provide flow control, error control, and multiplexing. Media access control means control access to medium and provides physical addressing. 17th one, explain the CSMA and CSMA-CA protocols. 17th question. CSMA-CD and CSMA-CA protocols are CSMA and CD used in wired Ethernet to detect and recover from collisions. CSMA-CA means used in wireless networks to avoid collisions used acknowledgements. Next, we are going to talk about 18th question. Explain IEEE 802.2 LLAC frame structure. IEEE 8.2 frame structure means it includes DSAP and SSAP and controls fields and data and provides logical link control services. 19th question, explain the IEEE 802.3 Ethernet frame structure. It is going to include pyramidal destination MAC, source MAC, type length, and data and CRC. Next, we are going to explain IEEE 802.11 wireless LAN frame structure. It is going to include control duration. It is going to include frame control, duration, address field, sequence control, data, and FCS. That's all for my questions. That's all for my questions. And thank you.